To achieve massive results in Shopify dropshipping, it is essential to utilize the right apps that can streamline and optimize your business operations. In this guide, we will explore the must-have Shopify dropshipping apps that can help you succeed in 2022. First, let's start with the concept of dropshipping, which is a retail fulfillment method where you do not keep products in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. To manage this process efficiently, you need apps that can automate tasks, improve product research, and enhance customer experience. One of the most critical apps for Shopify dropshipping is Oberlo, which allows you to find and add products to your store, as well as manage orders and shipments. Another essential app is AliExpress, which connects you with suppliers from around the world and enables you to import products directly into your Shopify store. For product research, apps like Salehoo and Worldwide Brands can help you find profitable products to sell. These apps provide access to a vast network of verified suppliers and allow you to research products based on demand, competition, and pricing. To optimize your marketing efforts, consider using apps like Kit and Adespresso, which can help you create and manage social media ads, as well as track their performance. Additionally, apps like Trust Badges and Free Shipping Bar can enhance customer trust and increase average order value. When choosing Shopify dropshipping apps, consider the following best practices. First, read reviews and check the app's rating to ensure it is reliable and trustworthy. Second, evaluate the app's features and pricing to ensure it aligns with your business needs and budget. Finally, test the app with a free trial or demo to ensure it is user-friendly and easy to integrate with your store. By utilizing the right Shopify dropshipping apps and following best practices, you can streamline your business operations, improve customer experience, and achieve massive results in 2022. Remember to stay focused on providing value to your customers, and continually monitor and optimize your apps to ensure maximum performance.